Hi friends, this is Suzy, your gaming guru. It is June 24th, 2026. I'm here for my Wordle and Quordle of the day and for Cooking in Parchment Day, on papillote. I think that's how it's pronounced. I have no idea. But I'm going to use the word parch as my inspiration word because it's part of parchment. So let's see how that goes. It's a little scary. Okay, well, we picked up an R. I really can't expect much better than that on any given day. So let's do this. Oops, hold on. R. And then we might try STLNE, right? Oh, we could do an ER kind of word. And then other vowels, IOU, and sometimes Y. But let's try an ER kind of thing. So let's do liter, because that's a good cooking term. Ooh, okay, so we picked up an E and we picked up an R. Oh, this is one of those. Could be anything in there. Let's get rid of the things we've already tried. Boop, 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 boop. We got those. That's nice. Those, snowy. Okay, I'm going to take out the Y. So, noser. Nah, I don't think so. What about, well, we don't have to do the ER. What if I try the word sound? That's a good one. Oh, we picked up a U. We're going to have a U there? We didn't get any of those except the U. I don't think the U is going to go there unless we have fleur, but I don't think we can get that. Oh, it could be umber. U-M-B-E-R. Umber. Should I try it? What else could it be? Umber's fun because it starts with a U, and you know I have a hard time starting words. Oh, hold on. If the U goes, starting words with vowels, if the U goes there, oh, it could be queer. Oh no. Shoot. I didn't want to find any others. F, G, J, Juber, K, Z, X. I can't find any with this construction. V, B, M. That's funny. Either I just missed stuff or there aren't any with that construction. We could put the U here or here. That doesn't block anything out. Let me just double check. Umber, U-M-B-E-R. Queer, Q-U-E. We could still go there. E-R. I'm going to try umber. I'm going to try umber. It's not umber. I'm scary risking this. Okay. It's there. Alright. That one took forever. Well, it has a Q and 3 vowels in a row, 2 of them being E's. So it wasn't a traditional ER word, even if it ends in an ER. Alright, let's move on to Quordle. I'm going to put in fishy, budge, clown, tramp. I'm going to do ninny. Could be ninny. Ninny, nicky, nizzy. I'm going to hold off. I'm going to try, oh, what is this? No C or T. So I'm going to say maybe an L. It's not elact. Lacet, latec, lecat. That's not right. I'm going to come over here. Robes. Probably not. Maybe sober. I think that's more likely. S-O-B-E-R. Oh, it is. Okay, and then this. Goose. Okay, and then this. We've excluded the E's from down here. Leact. What is that? I'm going to try ninny. Don't be such a... There we go. And then what is this? I have to figure this out this way. C, 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 C. L, 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 L. T, 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 T. A, 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 A. I did not exclude much. E, E, E. Okay. If we do an A here, aclat. No. Eclat. Oh, what a word. Oh, man. E, C, L, A, T. It could work. It's such an obscure word. I think it means style, and I think I know it from a song. Is there like a Disney song that has the word eclat in it? Could it be... Hold on. I'm thinking it might be the one with the cats. Aristocats. Hold on. This is so unusual for me that I would be able to actually remember where I had heard a word well enough to find it. But yes, it's from the Thomas O'Malley song in Aristocats, showing off my eclat. That's how I know that word. That's the only way I know that word. I think that's the only place I've ever seen it used. And that is it for me. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.